It's Truman's birthday. Truman the Cape Parrot is 14 years old. Truman's named after the Truman Show, and his life is parallel to that to some degree. Give me a kiss. Can you give me a kiss? Oh, thanks for kisses. Truman was hatched in 2010, and time sure does fly, and it's amazing how much time has passed. And we've had quite the adventures together. And he's also very adored by my wife, Mariana, and he really likes her. And he's a good talker and just a really sweet, cuddly bird. So lucky to have.